What's up, YouTube? Today I just wanted to make a quick video on the Akai MPK Mini IV, showing you guys how to change the color of the LED lights on your drum pads. So as you can see, when you first plug in the controller, all of the pads are one solid color. And if you look at the screen here, you can see that we're in preset 1, which controls your DAW, which would be whatever program you're using to make your beats. Now normally, to edit the pad colors in preset, you would hold down Shift and press Program Edit. And as you can see, when I do that, it says Program Protect on the screen. And that's because preset 1 is factory program to control your DAW, and preset 2 is factory program to control Akai's new studio instrument plugin that comes with the purchase of this controller. And for some reason, you can't change anything on these first two presets. So I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to this. So what you're going to do is hold down Shift and press User Presets, which will bring you to this screen here. And if you use the scroll wheel, you can toggle through your presets. So you want to scroll to the right, past DAW and past Plugin, and you'll see User 1. And since I already have User 1 set up how I like it, I'm going to go ahead and scroll to User 2 and edit this one. So you're going to press in on the scroll wheel here to select the program. As you can see, we're now in User 2. So next you're going to want to hold down the Shift button and press Program Edit. And the screen will say Move a control to edit. So if I press the first pad here, you'll see the screen say Pad A1 Edit. And if you use the scroll wheel, you're going to scroll down to where it says Off Color or Off C. And you can see that it's currently set to 5, which is this red color here. And if you scroll down to the on color, that's going to be the color of the pad when you press it. So I usually start with the off color since that's what we're looking at. So if you click on the scroll wheel, you can now change the off color by scrolling left or right. And I actually use this to search for my on color as well, because you can't press the pad to preview the color until you exit the edit mode. So what I do is I scroll through the colors and find out which one I want to use for the on color. Let's just say 25, and then I'll click the wheel and scroll to on color, and click that again, and then I will go ahead and scroll down to 25, since that's what I want the on color to be. So you'll click the wheel again, and then scroll back up to on color, or off color, sorry, and now you can change the off color to whatever you want it to be. Let's just say 33. So you click that wheel again, and now that pad is set. And you're basically going to keep doing that same process all the way down, for all 8 pads. And once you're done with the first 8 pads, you can press the bank button here and work on the next 8 pads. And when you're all done, you're going to hold Shift and press Save. And then you press Enter. Now it says Program Saved. So anytime you want to load up your program, you just hold Shift and hit User Presets, scroll to whichever one you want, click the wheel to load it up. So that's about it. That's simple. As you can see, I've got mine set up. Looks pretty dope. I like it. So hopefully this video was useful to somebody. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace.